Hey, let me introduce you to Chatmyer, an exceptional platform designed for website owners with some truly remarkable features. Chatmyer is an all-in-one solution that combines real-time chat and a complaint ticket system. It's designed to help website owners streamline their operations, boost customer engagement, and resolve issues quickly. You'll love how user-friendly it is with both a desktop admin panel and a mobile app for on-the-go use. Here's the scope. With Chatmyer, you can chat with your website visitors in real time. And the best part, you'll never miss a conversation. It's not just about chatting. You can also manage complaints efficiently. Chatmyer makes it easy to create, track, and update complaints, ensuring your customers are always in the loop. As a website owner, you can use the desktop admin panel to monitor and manage all chat and complaint activities. If you're on the move, no worries. Chatmyer has a mobile app that lets you stay connected with your customers from your smartphone. Starting is a breeze. Log in on your desktop or get the mobile app from your app store to access all the features. A game changer for website owners. Feel free to ask any questions or seek assistance.